Hi everyone, Nada here, and today I'm going to talk about a brand new external SSD from Samsung, the T7 Shield. It is actually launching today, and this time around, Samsung decided to fully focus on durability. So this little drive is supposed to be waterproof, it is supposed to be dust-proof, and it is even supposed to be drop-proof. So it should be a perfect option for anyone that takes their external SSD wherever they go, or just simply use the SSD in situations where it might be damaged, whatever those may be. Now, the T7 series isn't really new. It has been around for about 2 years now, and while they are still the most sold external SSDs pretty much everywhere in the world, they were never the fastest drives you could buy. So let's see how this one performs and if it's worth considering at all. Let's begin.
This video is brought to you by Seasonic and their Prime series power supplies. These top quality power supplies are very efficient, they're whisper quiet, extremely reliable, and my go-to choice for most of my test rigs and builds around here. And to make the deal even sweeter, Seasonic wraps it all up in a cozy 12-year-long warranty. Check them out using the links in the description below.
The T7 Shield looks only slightly larger than the original T7, but it is a lot thicker and a lot heavier. It weighs almost 100 grams, while the original is at 57, and it is also on the heavy side if we compare it to a bunch of other drives I've tested so far. Now, a big part of that extra weight are the materials that they use to make it extra durable. It has a very strong, robust aluminum body that is then completely covered with rubber, and it has two barriers around the USB connection for added protection against water and against dust. So you can actually survive drops of up to 3 meters of height, temps from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius, and it has an IP65 certification for water and for dust resistance. So it can actually handle a lot of extreme outdoor conditions, as well as an accidental water or accidental wine spill